Logical, the psychopathological, the pathophysiological, the neurocognitive, the neurological and the cognitive, and last but not least, the miscellaneous, where we'll explore a number of different variances.
Well, I know something. I mean, I know you're you and you're me and I'm you, and you have people that says, I'm going to clean the whole kitchen. Well, they just can't do anything else. That's not a virtue. That's not a virtue. That's just somebody who's compelled to clean.
So you have empirical, we have inferential, we have subjective, we have objective, and we have anecdotal.
Well, I know something.
And
I mean, I know you're
the way they go about evidence is a sort of circular.
Mirror projection.
What I pulled. Oh, let me hear that.
Also, lexicographers' inability to decipher the ambiguous nature of language. Because
It says, I'm going to clean the whole kitchen. Well, they just can't do anything else. That's not a virtue. That's not a virtue. That's just...
a premise is ambiguous, and a proposition is ambiguous.
It's empathy a lot of times too, right?
Yeah, empathy, of course. And empathy is one of those things I spend.
You are the quintessential of eccentricity. You do know that, right? You are the quintessential of eccentricity.
Logical, subliminal information that bypasses above the physiological threshold, so it's detectable. A prime example.
Just pull up Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Let me hear that.
Just pull up Teletubby impression on me.
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. Let's Detection, 1949. And at the end, I like to go, cocaine on his back.
Is that just pull up Teletubby impression on me?
I don't know what I pulled. Oh, let me hear that. I dropped you a deep bag.
Chili.
Chili. He's a dog. I call him Chili Dog.